Are you looking to boost your health with natural ingredients? Then Jaggery is the answer. This video will show how this traditional sweetener can help improve your energy levels, digestion, immunity, and more. Plus, you will learn ways to incorporate this sugar substitute into your daily diet for maximum nutrition. We'll also explore its nutritional benefits and how it can be a great addition to your daily diet. So, don't miss out on this fascinating exploration of an ancient superfood. Watch now to learn all about the health benefits of Jaggery. 1. Improves digestive health. Jaggery aids digestion due to its essential minerals and fibers that help regulate bowel movements. It helps maintain a healthy gut by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Moreover, Jaggery helps stimulate digestive enzymes, further aiding in breaking down complex foods. In addition to aiding digestion, Jaggery can relieve constipation and other gastrointestinal disorders such as bloating and acidity. Its naturally sweet taste makes it a healthier alternative to refined sugar, which can lead to several health problems if consumed excessively. Adding Jaggery to your diet can have numerous health benefits, including improving your digestive system's functioning. Drinking warm water or milk with Jaggery early in the morning helps in relieving constipation and aids digestion. You can use it as a healthier alternative to refined sugar while baking or cooking. It will reduce inflammation in the gut caused by excessive consumption of processed foods. Lastly, mix Jaggery with ginger, cumin, and fennel seeds to promote healthy digestion by reducing bloating and gas. 2. Detoxifies the liver. One of the liver's primary functions is to remove harmful substances from the bloodstream, such as alcohol and drugs. We have to consume healthy foods to keep this organ in excellent shape. Jaggery is famous in traditional medicine for promoting liver health. It contains antioxidants and minerals like potassium and magnesium that help cleanse the liver of toxins. Studies have shown that Jaggery features compounds that can reduce inflammation in the liver and improve its function. Additionally, Jaggery's high iron content can help prevent iron deficiency anemia, which can cause damage to the liver over time. Incorporating Jaggery into your diet may be a simple yet effective way to support healthy liver function while satisfying your sweet tooth naturally. One of the easiest ways to add Jaggery to your diet is by consuming it with warm water after waking up. It will flush out toxins from your system. Another way to incorporate Jaggery into your diet is by using it as a natural sweetener in teas or coffee instead of regular white sugar. You can also use it in cooking dishes such as desserts or sauces to add flavor while providing nutritional benefits. 3. Enhances the immune system. Jaggery contains essential minerals like zinc and selenium for maintaining a healthy immune system. Zinc helps produce white blood cells, which fight against infections and viruses. Besides, it helps in wound healing and tissue repair. On the other hand, selenium acts as an antioxidant and protects the body from damage caused by free radicals. Studies have shown that eating adequate amounts of these minerals can help improve overall immunity. Jaggery is also rich in iron, which is necessary for producing hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen to various body parts, including the immune cells. Thus, incorporating Jaggery into your diet could improve your immune function and protect you against illnesses and diseases. 4. Prevents anemia. Anemia or iron deficiency is when the body lacks enough red blood cells to carry oxygen to various organs and tissues. This problem can lead to fatigue, weakness, and dizziness. Jaggery contains iron in a form that the body can easily absorb, making it an excellent natural remedy for anemia. It also features folate and vitamin B12, vital nutrients for producing healthy red blood cells. Regular consumption of Jaggery helps increase hemoglobin levels in the blood and prevents anemia. Besides, it has a low glycemic index when consumed in moderation. It releases energy slowly into the bloodstream and prevents sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. High blood sugar levels can damage red blood cells, leading to the reduced oxygen carrying capacity of these cells, resulting in anemia. Jaggery's ability to regulate glucose levels makes it even more beneficial in preventing anemia among people with a high risk of developing this condition. 5. Boosts energy. Jaggery is a natural sweetener with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. This sweetener provides instant vitality to the body. Jaggery is an excellent source of carbohydrates for maintaining healthy energy levels in the body. It contains sucrose and glucose, simple carbohydrates that the body can quickly convert into energy. Unlike refined sugar, which causes a sudden spike in blood sugar levels followed by a crash, Jaggery provides sustained energy without causing drastic fluctuations in blood sugar. Moreover, Jaggery contains iron and other essential nutrients, such as magnesium and potassium, improving blood circulation and oxygen flow to the brain. This circulation increases alertness and mental clarity. Consuming a small piece of Jaggery after meals or during midday slumps can give you an instant burst of energy without compromising your health. 6. Relieves stress. Many people are unaware that Jaggery can relieve stress. This feature is possible because it contains essential minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, calming the nerves and reducing tension in the body. The phenolic compounds in Jaggery also make it an effective stress buster. These compounds have antioxidant properties that prevent oxidative damage caused by stress and anxiety. Besides, Jaggery helps release endorphins, popularly known as feel-good hormones, which improve overall mood and relieve stress. Adding Jaggery to your diet can reduce the physical and mental strain from daily life activities. Adding this natural sweetener to your diet can help with a healthy lifestyle while managing everyday stress levels. 7. Treats respiratory infection. Apart from being a delicious substitute for refined sugar, Jaggery can lower the risk of respiratory problems. Respiratory problems such as asthma and bronchitis are common, thanks to increasing pollution levels and bad air quality. However, research has shown that regular Jaggery can help alleviate symptoms associated with these issues. Jaggery contains anti-allergic compounds that can prevent or reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. This inflammation usually results from allergens like dust and pollen. Moreover, Jaggery is rich in antioxidants which protect the lungs against oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage cells and contribute to inflammation and chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Therefore, incorporating Jaggery into your diet satisfies your sweet tooth and provides essential nutrients that promote healthy respiratory function. 8. Treats premenstrual syndrome. A lesser-known benefit of Jaggery is its ability to alleviate premenstrual syndrome (PMS) symptoms in women. Numerous studies suggest that Jaggery can regulate hormones and reduce PMS symptoms such as cramps, mood swings, bloating, and fatigue. This feature is possible because Jaggery contains magnesium and iron, essential minerals for the proper functioning of the female reproductive system. It also acts as a natural painkiller due to its anti-inflammatory properties. However, you should consume it in moderation as it contains calories and sugar. Overall, eating Jaggery is an effective way to manage PMS symptoms. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 16 incredible guava leaf benefits. Thanks for watching and bye for now.